Hello, so today I'm just going to show you how I can very quickly and easily create a 9 grid using an app on my phone. Okay, I've got an Android phone, but you should be able to do it on Android or an iPhone. I'm going to use the app which is created by Instagram. It's called Layout. So we'll just go and find that. Hang on, where is it? There at the bottom there. So it looks like that. So when you go into that, it says photo booth, okay, and then you see all the pictures that you've got on your phone, okay. Now it shows me the ones that I'm in Snapseed at the bottom on that my folder, but you can click on that and change, you know, if you've got them in different folders and things like that, you can do that to find the ones that you want. But it's coming up, that's all of them, and I can go back in and find the Snapseed ones, which are the ones that I've already cropped and edited and they're ready to go. Okay, so what I want to do is I want a 9 grid, so I'm going to select the 9 pictures that I want to use ideally. Okay, and in this case I'm just going to randomly select the first 9 pictures that are there just for ease. Okay, now along the top there, if you slide that along the top, you'll see there's all sorts of different kind of layout arrangements. Okay, but we want the first one, which is just the ordinary 9 grid, so I'm going to tap on that. Okay, now at the bottom you've got things like replace, mirror, flip, border. Okay, I usually add a border to the pictures. Okay, I think you have to go through and do each one, but have a bit of a play and see how that looks, because generally I add a border when I edit them in Snapseed. Sometimes it's tricky when I'm in here to see if it's got a border or not. So some may look like they've got a thicker border than others, and that's just because that's what I've done in Snapseed. So you might want to edit them all the same way in Snapseed, or not, or just, you know, just leave them as they are and just drag them in, and you can add a border in here. Okay, but don't get too bogged down by that. Okay, so you've got your 9. Okay, if you decide that actually one picture is there that you don't like, you want to swap it, so I don't want the one perhaps with my books in, so I can tap on that and then go to replace at the bottom. It then brings up, you know, it's a whole selection of pictures which you can then choose from to choose a different kind of picture. Okay, so there's all sorts of random things in there. I'll just pick another one of one that we've already got. It doesn't really matter, just for ease. Let's just find out as that would do. We've already got it, but it's the other way around. But yeah, so just, you can swap them. You can go in and have a little look and edit and swap them for whatever you want. Okay, so then it might be that you want to move some pictures around. So maybe they're not in the right order for you. You want them in a different order. So you could just hold your finger on one and just drag it. So just drag them around to wherever you want them to be. Okay, so you can put them anywhere like that. Okay, so like that one, I can see now that bottom middle one of Ted hasn't got a border on it. So if I tap that, does it do it or not? It doesn't. I don't know why it does that, but it might. Oh, there you go. It's just because it's down a bit low. That's all. So you can move them around. There you go. That's it. So yeah. So if you've got a picture that is bigger than the square, you know, you can sort of move it up and down to get it how you wanted it to be. So that's why there's a, that's it. There you go. So yeah, so you get them how you want, move them around wherever you like, that kind of thing. And then at the end, you can just click on save. Okay, and that is your 9 grid. So that'll save that on your phone. It does give you the choices here to share it in places you don't need to. You can leave it on your phone and use it how you normally would use a picture. It will show up in your galleries. Click done. Okay, and that's how you can create a 9 grid on your phone. Easy as that. Let's just finish that. Stop the video.